Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tax, and you are now watching the unboxing of the HTC U12 Plus. In the box, you'll find the HTC U12 Plus, some literatures that you would not read, SIM ejector tool, hard case, charger, USB-C cable, USB-C earbuds, and some spare ear tips. It is disappointing that HTC did not include the included USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack in the packaging. The included charger is a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 charger, even though HTC U12 Plus supports Quick Charge 4.0. This is the exciting part. Quiet please. At the front, you will find the 6-inch 18:9 Quad HD Super LCD 6 display. At the top of the display, you will find the dual 8MP front-facing cameras, earpiece that acts as secondary speaker and sensors. At the back, you will find the semi-translucent back, dual camera, dual flash, and fingerprint sensor. At the bottom, you will find the USB-C port and the boom sound speaker. At the right, you will find the pressure-sensitive home and volume buttons. You also find the AdSense tube on the bottom frame of both sides. At the left, you will find the hybrid SIM card slot. At the top, you will find nothing besides the microphone. The semi-translucent back is so eye-catching and you would not find it anywhere besides HTC U12 Plus. I will include some photo samples at the end of the video. Remember to stay until the end for the photo samples. That is all for this unboxing video. Remember to subscribe and follow us on social media for the review of HTC U12 Plus. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, we started a Patreon page and now you can directly support our work. We prepared 2 tiers for you guys to support. The first tier is $5 growing tree. By pledging $5 per month, you can help us buy better gears for better video quality and experience. The second tier is the $10 seed purchasing. By pledging $10 per month, you can help us buy more review devices. Our review devices are not sponsored and we purchase it in order to keep our opinion neutral. Remember to support us on Patreon in order for us to continuously produce content for you guys. Thank you for your support. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.